This is the Ford Fusion 2013-2020, and if you see the check fuel fill inlet message on the car, on the dashboard, you will need to clean the system of the easy fuel. So this is the capless system, and what you will need to do, you will need to take some WD-40, C-foam, or whatever other cleaners you may take, you have access to, and first of all, put some cleaner here and wipe with something, and then make sure you use the funnel that comes, manufacturer equipped funnel that comes with your car. Put some WD-40 here to the flap and insert that funnel several times to clean and lubricate the capless system. The capless system may get quite dirty, and then in a car with a simple cap, you will get issues with vacuum, with air entering the fuel tank when it doesn't want to, and with the capless system is the same. So we will let some air inside, it will not close properly, so you will need to lubricate the system. This is a DIY job, no need to pay for that. Just get a WD-40 or C-foam, they are the best cleaners and lubricators, and don't put a lot of it because you don't want this stuff to go inside the fuel tank. So this is how you get rid of that annoying message.